I'm not sure when we first started, but I've been here for 27 years, and I think that it was around about that time. I think we went for Mac and stayed for Pneutech. So Pneutech is for Mac, the majority of it is Mac. We use Transair pipe, we use Pisco tubing, Bimber valves, all sorts of things like that. We build around what Pneutech are supplying. So our air, where we're using air, we're using what Pneutech are supplying. So we know all about that, about how the valves are built, but we know that they do work. We know that they work for a long time and they hit the time that we want them to. We find that we can't get that accuracy with other valves, and we just know that Mac will work, and it's odd that it doesn't. It'll be very strange that Mac don't work in the time that we want them to work. We're pretty fast. We have air blasts that need to be accurate and fast. They're all timed. It needs to work at that time. We can't do that with anything else. We've tried, but we can't do it with any other valves. So we had Chris working for us, if everybody knows Chris. So Chris was working for us many years ago before he went to Pneutech, and he put a valve on. We had a problem with this one press, so he put a Mac valve on this press that fixed everything. From that, we started ordering those machines with Mac valves. So as part of our, the way that we're building machines, we need Mac valves on. So they started building machines for us with Mac valves, and then we find that they're putting Mac valves on their machines for everybody else as well. So I'm not sure whether it was because of that recommendation, but it's what they do now. So maybe, and that's a multinational company. We use Pisco because it looks good and it works. It's just so simple. It's easy to order and everything that we need is right there. Just use it. Love Pisco connectors. So the range that we can do with that, yes, we can put them everywhere. So I like to use the ones with the O-rings because I don't have to use Teflon or anything like that. They go in, it's easy to fit, take them in, take them out. They don't break, they don't fail, just easy. I think that we use a Transair for tubing because it's just strong. It's strong and it carries all of our air. We have ring mains that go around the whole plant. We tried with plastic, and plastic worked for a long time, but we just found that with the Transair tubing, the strength of it is so much better. Lasts forever. Doesn't break.